Time travel. Well, not really in time travel. I want to talk about completely this aspect. The 101, the power is on wrong this time. And that 0 is just like the coding, programming. The 0, we got to turn off the power pretty much, quote unquote, and then turn the power back on. Turn it off. It's on wrong. Let's look what's going on with the world. Turn it off, and then turn it back on. Physically and mentally. Turn it back on completely, right? And then we'll see a huge change in things completely being like subtle like heaven with what you hear about heaven and everything. And then as well as it's all based off code. We are all code. We are computer programmed. If you think about 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and how cells work and the stem cell theory and all that stuff, you can see that. Well, we come from the same stuff. The atoms that we're made up of, and the material I'm wearing, and this cord to listen to stuff. Yeah, we are all just computer based from a higher intelligence, and they're finally, there's lights in the sky of space. They're like, whoa, who are they and whatever. Well, they're pretty much coming to sit back and watch us. They're like, wow, they finally made it to little robots. And then they're going to see us make our own selves and embed our own selves. And then that's how we can coexist with robots. Only if we can make the robots with AI and have AI working in that factor of knowing that we made those to work a certain way, it's impossible for them to beat us, but they do progress quicker with the mindset they have because they're computer based. But we still made them so we can still crack the code. So we're all safe. We just got to make sure we don't go too fast with it either. You give it too much information. That's another problem I'm really worried about. So, all right, let's end it on that. We're computers, we're coded, we're this. Let's just think about that. Question it. Leave comments in the section below. And subscribe. Please subscribe. I would love it. And the truth is...